Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly open a free demo account on Exness in just a couple of minutes. Let's dive right in. Step 1 is to visit Exness website. Head over to exness.com and then you can either type the URL directly into your browser or use the link in the description below. Step 2 is to register for an account. On the home page, you'll find the registration form on the right side panel. Fill in the following details: country of residence, email address, and then create a password for your account. After filling those, click Continue to proceed. Step 3 is to choose Demo Account. Once your account is created, close any notification that pop up. You will now be prompted to choose between a real account or demo account. Click on Demo Account to continue. Step 4 is to start trading with virtual funds. You're now logged into your Exness demo account with 10,000 USD in your virtual pounds. You can practice strategies, test new techniques, or just explore the platform risk-free. Step 5 is to ready to trade. Once you're comfortable, you can switch to real account whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.